Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we're going to discuss the latest update from the Veo 3.1, and they have just updated that we can now use the three images as a reference source, and it will generate a new video out of that. So I just tried this, and first of all I just tried to use four images, then it show me we can only use three images. So we go to limit of the three images, so we can use only three images for the reference. And after that, after I uploaded the three images, I just pick it out from here. Like I just took the screenshot of them and pick it here, and it just generated something like this. And to be honest, it's something amazing, beyond my imaginations, and the quality is quite good. And now what we are going to do is although they have just deleted this tweet, and I just took the screenshot of them and just posted on my Twitter. So you can just go and follow me on that. Uh, as you can see, although they have just deleted this tweet here, and now what we're going to do is basically, as you can see, they have deleted this tweet, and now I'm going to show you the update, how you can use this. Now we have the three more limits. Like we can generate two more videos. I had just generated the one already, and now we have a new concept for the video. So we're going to use this snoop dog, and what we are say, and use this mountain image, and this something like the volcano. And the concept is something like this. This is a first scene, and this snoop is coming from here, and when the camera turn around, it shows something like this. And I just testing out if it can generate this image or not. I'm not going to make any cut in this video, so you can just make it to the forward. Okay, now we're going to type our prompt, and that is the Snoop Dogg is coming from the Green Mountain in a bird, and suddenly turn around, and then camera flip to other side, and the volcano is start to deploy. I guess that's the right word, and if we can use it. So let's just put this image again here. It is going to load this image or not? I don't think so. It's going to take this image as well. So we have to pick it another image. So what we can do is we have to use another image. Okay, so what we can use? So we can use this one. We can use this one as I don't know, make this video too long. The space there, and again, and now it's working. Okay, so we have this three videos on the reference, and to be honest, I don't think it can connect any of this. So let us try it out. I've already selected the video generation model, and Gemini 2.5 Pro, and just hit the submit button, and let's see what is going to happen. So although it's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes, so we have to wait for some seconds. I'm generating a video for you now, incorporating Snoop Dogg, a green mountain, a flip camera, and deploying volcano based on your descriptions and the image you provided. Okay, so it's generating the video, and this can take up to the 1 to 2 minutes. So we have to wait, and I will just put some music in the background, so you can just chill it out. Okay, it generated the video, and the video is like okay. Let's see if we can play it or not. Like just set the play button and let's see what. It's kind of funny. This is not what I have just explained to it. Like it's to you it is funny. It's not what I have said it to like generate. But it's fun to watch this one. Where is the camera flip, bro? There's no camera flip. But but this one works. I can just put it out on the like somewhere on the the thread on the like the Instagram, and it will perform well, I guess. And yeah. Okay, so this is the update. This is the update from the like Veo 3.1, and I hope you find this video helpful, or you can find this update helpful. If you find this update helpful, you can follow us on the like the Twitter, or like subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next one.